Welcome. In front of me is a SPIPHONE A10 Pro, and today I will show you how to transfer photos and videos from SD card to a phone and vice versa. Now keep in mind that this doesn't only apply to photos and videos. You can basically transfer anything like music and specific files, documents, anything. So to get started, number one, assuming we already have a SD card in the phone, you want to go into the app drawer, so right here, and find the file manager, just right here. And you will have two options. One is the SD card and the other one is just the built-in phone storage. And actually, I think first I'm gonna make sure I have a photo, so I'll just take one as an example. Then camera, capture a photo, and now we can proceed. So going back to the file manager. Now, I believe that the photo actually got saved already to the SD card, considering it's already in the phone. So I will go into the SD card itself, and then assuming you want to transfer photos or videos, they will basically always be located under the DCIM folder, just right here. And the same folder exists on the phone as well, if you didn't have previously the SD card in there. So that's basically the location your phone will be saving the photos previously. So from here, I'm just gonna tap here, and you can see that there are actually 3 photos. So I did take previously a photo, actually multiple of them. So all I want to do is I can actually tap on it to see it. Now you can see all 3 of them. So this is actually the one that I have taken. So what I can do now, let's actually go back out of this. If I want to select just one photo, all I need to do is hold my finger over it. It gets selected on blue like this. And now I can choose either to copy or cut it. Copy will basically create an additional copy of the photo, and cut will just move the existing photo to a different location. So it will remove it from here and then put it wherever we select it to be. Now if you want to select multiple, then you can just tap to add more of them, or you can just also move the entire folder itself if you want to do it quicker. If you have a lot of photos, you don't need to select them all individually, you can just move the entire folder. But for this example, I'm just going to move the individual photo, so it's quicker. And then I'm going to select to cut it. So now the photo is cut, as you can see by the kind of more faded appearance of it. And what you want to do is just go back into the phone storage, so right here. I'll select phone, and I'm going to move it back to the DCIM folder, but the one that is on the phone. And I can just either create a folder right here, drop it in the existing one, or just drop it right in the DCIM folder. I'm just gonna, for instance, as an example, also create one, gold, for instance. Like this, photos, tap on OK, there's the photo folder, go into it, and then tap here to paste, and you can see now it's a photo that we have moved. So if I go back to the memory card itself that we were previously in, you can see that there is only 2 photos now instead of the 3. So I moved the 3rd photo from here to the internal storage of the device. And like I said, you can do this with anything else like videos or any kind of file, music, document, it doesn't really matter. The principle is always the same. But that's how you would move it. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.